I was just sent this dog staircase, and this is awesome because we have small dogs. And I'm gonna open this up for you here. It comes super easy packaged. There's no assembly needed. You just need to cut the bag open because it's vacuum sealed. Okay, so this nice staircase inflated in like 15 seconds, super easy assembly. These wrinkles will go away as it finishes expanding. This thing is 22 inches tall and about 20 inches wide. I think this is very good for these small dogs to be able to get up to the bed at night when they're crying. You don't need to pick them up because they're just so small they can't get up to the top. This cover on here is removable, so you can take it off and wash it and dry it and make it all fresh again. And this material is also so soft and pillow-like that it'll be gentle on their little legs. So the zipper for the cover is right here. It has a little hidden spot so you can tuck it away all nice. And then this cover just comes right off, and it's this nice memory foam stuff underneath here. And this got this non-slip material on the bottom here, so you don't have to worry about this staircase going anywhere when your dogs step on it. It can also be used for cats or any small animal you really want it to be used for. We're gonna test it out here and watch her use it. Really nice and easy for her to use. That was so cute. Good boy. They love this little staircase here. I love the soft material, and I think it'll be really nice because also I'm not too worried about stubbing my toe on it or anything getting out of bed just because of how soft it is. And I think it'll match our house pretty good.